Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with S&P 500. We have the inflation data ease report this morning, and that's what made this candle uptick right here. If you look at this one, the first candle of the morning right here, but there is a problem behind this candle. What's the problem? The holding volume is down here under the previous independent candle. Market is still sideline, heavy selling pressure as soon as the price hit the 697. Right away, the price is pushing the candle down. Means this is where the market will sell off sooner or later, 700 area. Okay, and this selling pressure is clearly showing that market is rejecting. No matter what the news is, the market is rejecting to go up. Same thing going on the Nasdaq. What do we have? Rising wedge right here, independent candle. The insider bar, this one, and this one, and heavy selling pressure. Market is again rejecting this one. QQQ will drop us under 610 and 15 below this price. This is where the liquidity will happen. So this was the lowest point. Market went here and it will go below this point right here. That's where the liquidity sweep will be there, right in this area, and then start upside again. Same thing on the S&P 500. This area right here, this is the previous low, which is 666, 670 area. So from here, the market will drop below this point. This is where the liquidity is sitting. There is no power in this world which can stop the price not to come to this point. It will happen. It happens in 10 days, 20 days, 40 days, no one knows. But eventually the price will drop below this point, And that's the fact. Nothing in this world can stop this price to drop below this point, below this. Okay, so just make sure you know that where the liquidity is sitting in the market. Core view, yes. All right. So S&P 500, and now let's start with Amazon. We have taken the exit around 248. That was our price target. We precisely hit the price target 248, and we are out of all the trade. We are waiting for the retracement. Okay, the price is most likely to retrace from this zone somewhere in a range of right here, 235 SR interchange right at this point. So 235 will be our next entry once again in the Amazon. Till then, we'll stay clear. We have traded 5 trade back to back, starting from 220 all the way to 248, and we are out now. We are not holding any trade. At 235, we'll start the trade once again. So wait for the retracement, approximately $11, and then we start the trade. Moving forward to BMNR. What's going on the BMNR? BMNR is bullish and waiting for breakout along with the Ethereum. Where is the breakout coming from? If you look at, this was the ultimate low right here on 31st of December. Then the price started marking the higher candle right here. This become your independent candle, not this one. This is the price pin candle. This was your independent candle. So when the market broke the low of this particular candle right here, what we have the valid retracement. Now, this is something you should be looking at. This is wave 1, wave 2, and we are in wave 3 towards 3740 area. The price is above all the EMAs, means the price is bullish, and the price will continue shooting up higher from here slowly. Not today, not tomorrow, but 15 to 20 days, you will see the price continue going upward. Where it will go, the first price target will be on a 4-hour time frame, means we are looking about 7 to 10 days, is right in this area, which is 40 zone, right in 40 plus. Most likely 42.10 area will be adding some put, and after that we will not be selling the call on this one. We want to capture the upside because eventually the price will go to 89 on BMNR. Okay, so what will happen after 42? We'll be trading with the married put, so strategy will change once the price goes to 42. Moving forward to bull, continue holding your price. There is no change yet in the stock. This candle was 100% bullish and the price is bullish, but first, to have a bullish run on the bull, the price has to go above $10. As long as the price is below $10, there is no bull run here. Once we claim $10, then we will start pumping. Like from 10, we'll go to 12.50, and then we'll go 16.04. That's the maximum we are looking at on this one. Moving forward to coin, very similar. You see the buying pressure right on this particular candle. We have a valid retracement. This was our principal candle. If I give you the box right here, so right here, We have valid retracement into wave 2. So from here, the market was sideline, heavy buying pressure right here, sideline, heavy buying pressure, and the market shooting upward. What will happen? What we are looking at? We are looking for the first price target $281 on this one. Right now trading at 245, first price target 281, and the second price target is, so this is where the first price target is 281 area, and second price target is 360 right in this area. That will be the top on the coin, 360 area, and again we'll have a solid retracement after that. Bending market has completed, and that's the reason the market will start uptrend. You see the bending market right from here, this point, market went up all the way down and had a spring in this area, take down the previous low point and started marking the higher high and the higher low. Now we are going for the higher high point right in this area. So coin is bullish, 100% bullish, like this one. Another higher high coming, then another higher low, another higher high. This is how the trend will continue. Moving forward to circle. Circle has downside here, very similar, which we saw on the coin, a bending market, but we have not completed the pattern yet on the circle, and that's why the circle will tank. We are facing a resistance right in this area right here. You see that the higher point, equal high, then we have the lower high, third lower high. Unless we break this trend, we cannot turn bullish. The price will continue, and this is where I'm looking at the bottom, roughly around this order block, around 74 area before we bounce higher. Okay, so right now bearish on circle. There is a little bit of downside left. Moving forward to data vault, we traded 2 times yesterday, day before yesterday. Yeah, and now we have this trade. We are in the trade in the data vault. So we are not buying more unless the price drop under 70 cents. Okay, we are in the retracement wave 2. We'll continue holding our trade right here. Okay, we have the candle body decay reversal. So anytime the price will reverse, because the body is almost vanished, there is no holding volume on the sell side. If you look at right from here, the market is trying to engulfing every time. So right from here, the sell-off started, which was the retracement. Okay, so here it was the buying pressure, and then buying pressure vanished in these 3 candles, and suddenly the buying pressure came. This spread candle is your ultimate candle here, and this candle will reverse the price right here, this particular candle. So volume fill up going on downside, volume filled up downside, and now the upside volume will fill up, which the price will go to 121, and then a retracement. So something like this, you will see that downside volume fill up of this candle, downside volume fill up, upside volume fill up, retracement, and then breakout, something like this. So both sides, the volume has to fill up, and then the market will decide which side the price will go of this particular candle, this spread candle. So right now, have patience on this one next couple of days, because we have a volume fill up going on. This point is filled, this point is left, upside volume fill up. Moving forward to HIMS, long term good stock. We already have a line drawn that from this point, what happened here, why the price sell off from this point. This is where the liquidity was. The price went there, spring, hammer at the low value area, and bounce. Now the price will continue shooting upward towards $40. Moving forward to hoods, we are overall for a big trade, we are looking for the entry around 94.11, but we still have a ongoing trend, because there is no guarantee, because it's a crypto stock, okay, and there is no guarantee it will go to 94, and that's why we are continuously trading with the bull put spread. Short ATM by 90. If the price drop to 94.11, that's where we will take the biggest trade of the year. Okay, long synthetic skew biased volatility directional trade. A lot of people doesn't know these strategies. These are highly advanced, but those who are in the Discord, they know that what I'm talking. Okay, that will be only at 94. That will be the kind of trade that will try to convert $10,000 into $1 million at 94.11, or coin at around 200 area. But coin, I don't think so we'll get the trade now, because it's super bullish from here. So most likely we'll be targeting the hood if we get the entry on the hood. Coin, we also have another trade going on right now. Moving forward to Mara, when the stock was at 895, every single day I was screaming, this is the most cheapest stock in the market. Every single day for last 30 days, I was telling everyone, buy Mara, buy Mara, buy Mara. There is no exception. This is what happens when you grab the opportunity or you ignore the opportunity. 25% jump right from here. Now we have a change of character, means stock is bullish from here, and it will continue shooting upward as the Bitcoin goes up. Once the Bitcoin goes to 99,000, this company will turn back into profit and there will be no looking back on this one. Now, what's going on the technical side of the chart? Wait. Okay. Mara. All right. So what's going on the technical side? What you are looking at, the price from here, we have a valid retracement. This was our principal candle, right at the high of this trend, independent candle. We had a retracement. Clearly, this candle was broken down by these multiple candles. But every time the price was coming below this candle, the principal candle, what do you see? A buying pressure here, vanished, buying pressure again. So these candles were the ultimate retracement into wave 2. So what we have here, that's how you identify where the retracement is happening. So this is your wave 1, this is your wave 2, and we are in the wave 3. The price will shoot up. And that's what the reason is the price is going from 985. Even when was the 985? Right here. This was 8th of January. In last 4 days from 985, we're going to 1085, $1, which is approximately 10% up on this level, right? And the price will continue. Why the price will continue? Let's look at this one. What's going on here? Retracement, up, down, breakout. Now we have this independent candle right here, and the next candle is taking this. Look, insider bullish. These 3 candles, there is a divergence going on inside these 3 candles. If you go to the smaller time frame, you'll see this line where it's going. Now you see this? No matter where the price is going, even if a little bit of retracement happen on a smaller time frame, this become our trend line and the price will continue shooting higher. That's why it's bullish. It's insider bullish bar. Where the price will go? Right here at the previous high, right at this point, which is 1290. Before any reaction comes down for the retracement, the price will go to 1290, and then I will have a reaction for the retracement. And that will be wave 3 ending there. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, 4, higher, 5, 16 area. Okay, so this is where the price will go. 100% bullish, no exception on this one. So this wave 3 will be equal high of this point, and maximum we are looking around 20 area. That's it. This stock, no matter where it dropped, $8, $7, $9, every time it's a buy, this stock belongs to north of $20. There's no reason for Mara to trade at $8 or $10. It's a $20+ stock. It's a very similar situation when I was screaming at SoFi at 647 that this belongs to $25. When the Rivian was at 953 or 1053, sorry, 1054. When the Rivian was trading at 1054, I was screaming, this is a $20 stock. Very similar situation. Mara is a $20 stock. There is no power in this world can stop this. Have Mara on your portfolio. When the Bitcoin will shoot up, this price will go crazy. And to understand how fast it will go, look your previous run. The stock was trading right here. It was trading at 14 and shoot up to 23, $9, more than 50% run. So RKT, okay. Moving forward to Mali, we don't have a trade. We have booked the profit on this one. 2148 was our price target. Right now trading at 2149 right in this area. We captured this run and we are out. We are not trading anymore. Moving forward to Meta. For a short term, it's bearish. Why it's bearish? We have a bending market right here. You see that? The bending market right here. The price will retrace. Where it will retrace? Let's find out. Do you see any valid retracement in this when the price started running at 581 when we call the bottom? Right from here, 21st of November, we call the bottom, right? From here, do you have any valid retracement all the way? No. This was the first point, and even the system, the technical analysis automatically is picking up a wrong change of character here. This is wrong. Because the market was range bound to the principal candle breakout, this was the first retracement. You see this? This is the first retracement right here. If I change the color, you might see it more clear. I'll change it to golden color of this line. So this particular line right here, was your first valid retracement right from when the price started bouncing off from 581. So what is happening here right at this line? If you look at right here, this is your low where the liquidity is sitting, and look what happened. The price went up, bending a market, came down, exactly gives a spring right at this point. Okay, now the liquidity from this point has shifted to this point, and this marked the low. So what you'll see? You'll see the drama a little bit right here. Okay, a little bit, few days, you'll see the drama sideline, and then it will turn bullish right here. This candle and this candle, between these price, which is from 635 to 649. So this is $14 range. You will see the drama up, down, up, down, up, down, and then the stock will break out. So give it like 5 to 7 days sideline drama, and after that you can take a trade. MSTR, slowly it's bouncing. I'm not very hopeful yet because the price has not claimed any major milestone like EMA, bullish cross, or TIMA, or nothing. Look at this one. On a daily time frame, we are still negative on EMA. So unless the price goes above 175, 178 area, till then we are not sure whether the price is bullish or not. It must reclaim 179, 180 area, and then the price will run. Moving forward to Netflix. So we opened the trade yesterday. Stock will run 12%. I'm bullish on the earning. The price has already marked the bottom, and the price will go up. First price target 102, second price target 112. On the earning, I'm looking for the price to reclaim 102. The earning coming on 20th of January, I will hold my trade throughout the earning. Even if it turns into profit, I will still hold. Moving forward to NEO, 485, we have ABC wave down right before the previous low, range bound right at this area. We have exhaustion gap, and the price will go up. Where the price will go up? 752. If you are looking at 488 and you are looking at a 472, that's 70 to 80% upside. Okay, make sure you have NEO trade, and do not panic if this price drop to 438. Price can drop a little bit, okay, because it's a Chinese stock. They are always manipulated. Okay, so if you buy here 488 and the price goes to 438, you buy more at 438. This is not the stock to panic. The company is doing wonders. They are growing fast. I have been trading this stock since 2019. The first time they went public at $2 or something. That's since then I have been trading, and I traded all the way to $67, and then I have been shorting. I stopped shorting this stock at 39, and since then I never expected it will go to $4. But this is highly undervalued at this point. Moving forward to NVDA, we have a short triangle. We'll continue doing the short triangle on this one. I'm not looking for any breakout because the price is range bound right here. Unless we break this high, this point, right in this area, the price, there is no major breakout upside, like no fast move unless we have $196 reclaimed. So until 196, you go short spread, sell the call, sell the put on both sides, and collect the premium for nothing. Okay, keep collecting money on this one. Once it break 196, stop selling the call. Once it break down 170 and price goes down, only sell the put, because to collect the higher premium. As long as the price is between 170 to 196, keep selling both sides. Price is range bound, and there is nothing you need to do. SMCI, yes. Moving forward to Oscar, wait for the retracement. We have a bearish engulfing at the top. After this, very similar setup like this particular candle, the independent candle and the spread candle. Independent candle and spread candle. We are waiting for retracement. At the range around 15 area, we'll be shorting the put on this one. We are not buying the share. Moving forward to SPY, the top is already marked around 700.11. The price will have a retracement. Price target 666.39. QQQ, again, sell-off candidate. Rivian, $19. I have clearly mentioned its system is showing wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 upside. But 99% of the time when the wave fail, it's always the wave 5 and convert into wave B. So don't like be stubborn. Oh, system is showing the wave 5 upside. No, wave 5 is the only wave which always fail. Wave 3, 100% guaranteed. Wave 5 is always the one which create the bull trap. So make sure you know that. No trade on this one. We are a buyer, we are a put seller at 1575, and we are a share buyer at for 1395. Anything above will stay clear and the price is dropping. Okay. Moving forward to SMCI, we have two downgrade hit the market today. That's pure manipulation, nothing else. Okay. Look at this one. Why is pure manipulation? Wyckoff theory right here. So let's look at what's going on. What happens in this kind of situation? So this is what happens. The price started right here. Price went up, down, did not break the high, mark the low. Okay. So when the gap is left in the low, sorry, the previous high, exactly the market will hold above the previous low and will shoot up back like this one. 100% bullish. This stock is 100% bullish. Only thing, the downgrade today is a shakeout right at the bottom. Understand, those who are downgrading stock to $25 today, be it HSBC or be it Goldman Sachs, where the hell they were sleeping when the price was trading at $62? That time they were bullish. They were upgrading the stock to $100, $90, $80, right? What changed suddenly? Same company, same business, same management, everything is clear from the accounting side the last year. Okay, what suddenly changed that when the price is sidelined at the bottom, volume increasing? You see the volume spike at the bottom means accumulation. Why suddenly at the bottom the price, the downgrade started? The reason being they want to create the liquidity in the market. So how does they will create the liquidity? They will scare the people right in this area. And the people will give up. Oh, there's a lot of downgrade. Let's exit my position. I'll buy cheaper. And what will happen? You will never buy the cheaper. The banks, they will grab your share right at this point 29. And then all those people, those who end up selling their share will be buying at 47. Mark this price, 47.41, Fibonacci retracement, golden zone, fair value gap right in this area right here. All those who will give up their share at 29 will buy at 47, thinking it will go to 60. Because this is how the bank and the analyst plays with the retail investor. They have the authority, they have the power to influence, and they bullshit the whole day. They have a zero relevance in the trading. Analysts are the most idiotic piece of shit in the world, that they know nothing. They know nothing about the trading. I openly challenge any analyst on this planet if he can compete my ROI. Any trade, irrespective of the stock he can pick, irrespective of the entry point he can pick. No analyst on the planet can beat. But because they have the authority to influence the masses on the retail side, and that's why they have a value on the street. Oh, analysts downgrade HSBC. I troll them every single day on the Twitter. They know nothing. Only thing, they have a Bloomberg terminal. They're sitting here and there, and they're looking at the wave. So whenever they need to create the liquidity, they're all paid puppet. There is an entire ecosystem: analyst, article writer, news writer, the blog writer. They're all network. These all they work hand in hand. Analyst will downgrade. Suddenly, the blog writer will activate on the certain website like TipRank, like Seeking Alpha. They will go and write a publish. Oh, suddenly the HSBC has a downgrade. Where the hell HSBC was sleeping when they were downgrading Tesla to $25? The stock is trading at 480. HSBC downgraded Tesla to $25 because they want to scare people in the market. That's their whole idea. Create the negativity and start the wave one. Soundhound, stock is bullish, continue pushing higher. Once we break this area, you will see the price momentum speed up right at this area. So once we claim 13.08, the momentum will speed up because we will have a 50 EMA claimed, previous high taken, change of character, and the stock will start shooting up towards 18 area. Right here, this is where the price target, 19.16. SOXL, we have hit the high, the price will retrace. I'm having a position which is settling on 16th of January, and after that will be out of this trade. Moving forward to Tesla, we are in wave B. Right when the price was dropping every single day, I was telling you there will be a wave B, there will be wave B. This is where the wave B starts, and we will go to 474 and then a major sell-off after that. We already marked the high. This is here. We'll have a lower or high area, and then we have the price sell-off once again. This same chart right here, if I show you, very similar setup. So what is happening? High point right here. Let me show you. Very similar chart happened on the HIMS. What do you see here? The price went up, down, again up, right here. Let's look at the HIMS to understand the chart. It has no relevance, but just the chart. What happened? Price shoot up, down, again shoot up, down, mark the lower high, sell off to the previous low. What is going on the Tesla? Price shoot up, down, mark the high, down, lower high to the previous low. In this case, in Tesla, the previous low is not here. You need to know that where it is. Because there was a symmetrical triangle breakout at 273 right here. You remember this when we took the trade right here? So this was the symmetrical triangle breakout. So this was the ultimate low. The second lowest point is right at the symmetrical triangle. This is where, because this was the valid retracement right here. So from this point, this become your 1, this become your 2, this become your 3. Sorry, 3, 4, 5. Now, A, B, C right here. Somewhere between 300 to 330 right here at the point of control line. This is where your low is, okay? And this is where the price will drop. Give me a second. I have to take this call. Who is this? Hello? Hi, who's this? Yeah, sorry. So what will happen on the RKT? The price will continue going upward in the rising wedge and then down in a range bound upward, and then eventually it will fail right in this area. Okay, so the price up, zigzag and drop. All right, another stock, SMCI, we have already done. All right, so let's look at few other stock. We have few minutes. I think, no, the market is about to open. Tempus AI, this is the stock. Short the put on this one, bull put spread. This is the stock. Bull put spread is 100% bullish from here. The price started going up from here. We had a sideline range right in this area, this range. As soon as you see the price range bound and then bullish and then range bound, 99% chance the price will always break out upside once again. Okay, 93, 94 area is the price target. Again, you see the candle, the price is going upward, green. Market is open. Let's go through the accounts. So give me like 5 minutes. We'll log into our accounts. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, right here. Okay, so let's look at stock. Okay, BMNR is green. Amazon exactly 248 and sell off. It will drop to 232 to 35 area, 50 EMA retest. This is where the price will go. We already have the bearish engulfing. So this retracement will happen 100%. Make sure you are ready for 230. Okay, BMNR bullish 3172. This will definitely break out bullish because we have the price marking the higher low in this area right here. This is confirmed bullish breakout right here, like this one, double bottom and up. Okay, circle coin 247. Coin is bullish. Let's see. I took a trade on the coin yesterday. Yes, coin. $30 per contract. So that's $150 to book the profit. Let's see. 15x. Okay, that's cool. One they adjusted. Okay. Coin is bullish. It's pushing higher. Very good. HIMS is coming back right here when you see the candle engulfing. I'll put the mic for on a mute for a few minutes. Okay. I'm adjusting the trade and I need to talk to my wife for a few seconds. All right, we're back. Here we go. Netflix green, coin green, both the trade are green. Okay, SPY bouncing off. Okay, this candle has taken the previous liquidity, so we're back in the bullish. So what's happening here? On a heavy selling pressure, suddenly the sell pressure has vanished. Next time, on 1 or 2 candle down the line, when the selling pressure will come, that will be the top of the market. Right, 1 or 2 candle from now. So most likely this Friday we'll have the top. Okay, Wix is bouncing off like hell. You see the candle? More upside from here. $87. Okay, if I book the profit here, that gives me 87 and 75 cents. Okay, let's take this. Let's log into. Tempest, yes. Tempest. Yeah. Tempest AI, again, all 3 trade in profit, will continue holding them. Don't rush to close these trade, all 3. Meta 16 January, let the call expire. Let this settle. Then we'll take the next trade. All right. Scotia Bank, what's going on here? All righty, SMCI is dropping. SMCI I have sold in the money covered call, because what happens, I will hold this call all the way to 30th of January. The call will lose to theta and the time value at the end of 30th of, before the 30th of January, the day market closed. I will have 100% of downtrend on SMCI protected. Let's say drop $1 or $2 from here. So that 100% will be protected, because at the end of the day on 30th of January, the value will be left in this call is only the difference between the current price and the strike price. So we will get this 100% protection from this. And that's the reason I have sold in the money call. Res Live coming to our area. Res Live has to come because yesterday we missed one trade at 380. I was not home, so we missed one entry. It will come. It will exactly come to. If you want the best entry, $3.14 is the best entry. Like the best of the best entry is sitting here. And this one is coming right from here. Right from here. This is where the breakout happened. This was the breakout buy, all this. Now exactly price comes here, and then we'll have a either lower high or the higher high. So there will be a bounce at 314, then towards 370. So 371, wait for 4-hour time frame. Let me give you the precise entry on this one. Okay, we'll be waiting. Okay, don't take the trade on this one. It's not worth it here. Let the price drop to right in this area. The price will go back to 310, 313, 320 area. That's where the best entry is. Okay, the closing of this candle here, 312. We can start the trade at 360. $3.60 and second entry at 3.12. But first entry has to be with ATM covered call. I'm typing in the group. Like you buy the stock at 360, then you sell the 350 call for 30th of January, and then let that call expire, which is 45-cent premium, good enough. So we will have an average of our entire position around 310, 315 area. So we will be good with that one. Okay. So first entry 360, sell the covered call. Second entry 312, close the covered call for profit and double down your position at 312. Got the plan? SMCI, what's going on SMCI? Let's look at a little bit of 29.15, still holding equal low 1, 2, 3. Buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. The stock is refusing to go down in this area. Okay, this 29.30 area is crucial. And but still, we will have in the money covered call, and we don't close this call. My call is right now profit in $185. I'm not closing. Don't close this call until 3:30 hours of 30 January. No matter how much it drop, we need 100% of that drop from the covered call because we are selling in the money. Okay, so make sure you know that. There is not much of downside left here. Only thing it can go is the liquidity grab. That's it. You see the multiple time, every time the price comes here is bounce right here. So there is no much downside left here. It's a range bound from here. You see that? So this move will come. When the stock will move, this move will come. Right from here all the way to 54 area. And we have this trend line coming down from here. Lower high to the lower high and the third lower high right here. Somewhere at 52, 51 area, we will meet this price upside. So there's nothing to panic on SMCI downgrade and all this. It's a normal situation. Don't forget that there were people sending it to bankruptcy. And when I tweeted that the company will recover in 5-step, and that's what exactly 5-step happened. Be it CFO replacement, be it the bribe to the DOJ, be it filing the 10K and then filing the annual return and appointing the new accounting firm. All 5-step precisely followed. So we know that what the shit is going on here. All right, let's sell some call. 16 wicks, 521.35. Mm-hmm. 17 March. Again, the 16, 18, 2. Okay, I can sell this $18. Highest volume is here. Where is the open interest? Open interest, option open interest. Okay. Always try to sell the call where there is a high open interest so that you can negotiate the bid price. Okay. So 18, 19, we can sell this 19 to 21, 45. If I sell this, it will be a break-even trade. I've already taken enough profit on this one. I'll score 255, 250. All right, let's go. Order filled. Yeah. So we have this doing good. Okay, what do you want here? A small amount, but still, which one? Resolve, what do you have on the resolve? Where is this coming from? Oracle? Where is this coming from? I don't know. 18 June 310 put. Yes. Profit is profit. Profit is nothing small or big. Whatever you take, you should like take out of the market. Squeeze wherever possible. Sometimes we close the trade for like $2, just a coffee money, $5. It's fine. Nothing, we are not losing anything. If $5 is coming to your account, it's good. $5, what's the problem in that? Something is coming. Tesla 449. Those who want to cover the Tesla position can cover now. We have a range bound. There will be another breakout, but we'll stay range bound for like next few days. Right here, you have this range bound. This one right here. You see this particular candle? Independent candle. So bounce, 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 independent candle, range bound, breakout, range bound, another breakout. 470 is imminent. But if you want to cover, you can cover the price because it can dip here a little bit, like few dollars. Okay, what did I close here for? $155. What did I close? Okay, I closed the Tesla call spread. Okay. The Tesla February $600 call is a loss. We will not recover this call. I don't think so. It can recover. Approximately $300 loss right now. We have to, if you want to cut it. It's not worth it anymore. It won't survive. BBAI, what update you need on BBAI? We don't have the share. We only have the long call. We'll continue holding this one. BBI has 80% upside over the 6 month. So don't expect the breakout today. If you remember, the MMC screenshot was shared a couple of days back. So what is happening right here? If you look at, so price shoot up from here. You agree on this one. Once the price came to this level, right from this candle, we become the range bound. But we got the valid retracement here. Okay, valid retracement because we failed to hold this candle. So right in this area, what you're looking at, your low from here has shifted here now. This is the low. So price can revisit anytime 590 area and then shoot up. So how the market behave when the market comes in a range bound like this, it can go multiple times here and then break out. So have patience. As long as we are holding 590, we are bullish. ASST, all trade should be coming out now because we are in profit. We bought it at 85, ASST. I think we should book the profit on this. This was the screenshot. Look at this one. This was alerted trading range from 70 cent to 1.03. From 70 right here, which was 73, it went to 72 and upside 110. Our range was this. Both sides precise. AST, when we bought it at 0.85, book the profit now. Exit the trade. A firm, you need to hold a firm. Let me see. ASST, all trade out from 85 to 110. So that's 25 cents, like the 25% return. Okay, that's good. A firm on a daily time frame. A firm is due for upside breakout. We have this retest going on. So this sell-off candle was 100% imminent. Like nothing could have stopped this. And how did I know? Right here, you see this area. So up, down, up, down, up, down, and then breakout. Okay. So possible there is a little bit of bear trap right here, and then breakout will happen. All right, let's trade. Nice. GME, I was looking for a bullish breakout. Fill the value gap right in this area, and then the price will go up. Right here, this fair value gap right here. Filled, and the price will shoot up to 23-24 area. IONQ, JD, JPM. We have been a short side on JPM. Price dropping. Very good. LMT, Marvel, Mayo. DDT, resolve 369. Okay, wait a little more. Don't open the trade yet. Okay, we need a little bit more downside on this one. If you want to open the trade right here at 366, make sure you sell the call. We have hit the price target 368. That's what the price target we were looking at. Okay, but if you buy here, sell the call. Let me put it. Repeat the trade. Resolve 367 option, not 16th of January, 30th of January, 350 call precisely. Yeah, same trade. Repeat the trade. 50% of the position at this area. Okay, so let me give you, and this will be the third trade in profit. Here we go. 363, we have hit the price target. Okay, and our trade was this one. Repeat this trade. Alert 006. Repeat. Make sure you go covered. $363. I told you price is at 362 and 364, means at 363 precise to the penny. This is called trading. All right, repeating the trade on resolve. Come on. Quick. Resolve. Repeat. $365, $363 and bouncing. Grab it, the shit. Make sure you stay covered at this point, okay? Don't just... 363 right now. 364. Buying 5,000 there. Order filled. I'm going with the 5,000 at this point. Okay, I'll be adding more down. But make sure you play the game right. I did a mistake with the rest live. Show me a screenshot what you did. Yes, you can do the close and I will give you the adjust. Yes, Aju, you are the only man who is struggling here. All righty, let me execute this trade first. 30th of January, selling the call for 354.47 $3 gives us no, we'll sell 350. Okay, let's do that. Go covered on this position right now. Resolve option, selling 50 contract here. Okay, that's cool. Delta gamma theta, position open interest volume, column added, continue. All right, let's see what's the premium we can grab. We can grab 47 cents. Okay, that's cool enough. That will exactly give us what do you call okay, that goes to 0.47. Order filled, yes. So Res Life 5,000 share added, covered call sold 0.47. Make sure everyone is watching closely. Resolve. I'm in the trade now. 363, pinpoint 363. And I told you 363 right here somewhere. Price only goes where we want them to go. Not many people knows that. All right, BMNR is doing good. As long as we are bouncing above, staying green, looks good to me. Coin 246, again turning red is all right. Nothing to bother. DVLT 90 cent. DVLT is coming green today. DVLT is we bought it at 94, so we have 3 cent red on this one, so not far. We are good. Okay, Netflix is holding. Okay, DVLT, big red candle, Amazon pulling back beyond that. Market is a little bit choppy today. Right now, it's 10:30, I think, 10:30 sell-off going on. Look for put selling around 10:30 once the market sell-off. Hive, good. Do we have a trade on Hive? I think we already booked the profit on Hive. Okay, let's close Hive. We are still in profit on the double short put. Price is dropping now. Everyone book profit on Hive double short put now. Okay. Coin and all those we are holding. Okay. Coin, Netflix, and we'll continue holding them. Third one, Tempus AI. Continue holding. All right here. So you have the overview for the day. 2 profit booked, 1 trade started, 3 trade in profit and holding. Okay. BE. What is BE? What is that? Bloomberg Energy. We don't trade this stock. No, it's a bad place to trade here. Okay, right here. So let me see. No, we won't be trading. It will tank badly. We have a little bit more upside here. If you want to know if there is an upside, yes, there is an upside a little bit here. So I would take something like this. We take down the previous high. This momentum go a little higher and then tank like this. So if you are looking for upside, yes, there is an upside right here. So a little bit upside is left, about 10-15%. But I wouldn't trade this. Understand when the price is like, when the chart looks like this, price was here and the price is here, like upward, just stop that. Okay, I'll call you. What's going on? Anji, what happened? Go buy normal share. Res Live. The first step is to buy the share. First step is to buy the share. I'm sending you the screenshot. Okay. Okay. All right here. Any put? No, not yet. I just told you there is a little bit more upside left. 15 contract. I have 800 share of BBI. I bought them when you said buy. All of them, right? Yes. Covered call down seems any premium. Yes. Hold. 660 BBI is your entry. Okay, you are almost fine in this. Yeah. So nothing to panic here. Hold your position. We are team bullish right here. Any put on BE? No, don't try to buy put and short the market everywhere. Okay, no. Just because you have a stock on your watch list. Do you see any momentum fade candle here? You want to short the momentum? One like candle is shooting up higher and higher. There's no way you can short this. You will only short when the market goes to exhaustion. Like this one, the price was going up, down, and look at this one. 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle. All of them have a wick in the same area. Okay, and none of the candle is failed to break. then you take the short position. Not at this candle. This is momentum candle. The price will continue going upward. I just told you price will push up to the 160 area where it will create the bull trap. Then here or here, somewhere in this area, 150 area, you'll see multiple candle with the wick on the top. Then you short. Never try to rush to short the market or buy the put in the momentum, like against the trend. Don't trade that. All right, 47 call, 350, 30th of January, 363. Buy the share, sell the covered call. Very good. Yes, once the momentum fade, then only you buy the put. Not here, not in this candle. Let me show you. I'll show you if there is a momentum fade, if I could find somewhere. Okay. Never rush to short the price. Okay. Yeah, look at this one. So right now on BE, we are here somewhere here. Okay, momentum candle, price is shooting up. Once where we have a big wick like this one, or a candle, or a nobody candle like this one, spread candle at the top, that's where you buy the put. That's where you short the market. Don't short here, 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 here. You'll regret. Short selling is fun, but it has a higher risk than buying. Make sure you know that. One wrong entry and you are trapped. Okay, Hive momentum candle, 50 EMA retest and wick. The price will fail. Okay, Tempus AI again. What the hell happened just now? Momentum. It's holding this. Okay, I don't know why it's selling off. There's no reason to sell. Coin is holding. Coin is bullish. 1030 DVLT continue holding. As long as we hold this candle, there is nothing to panic. This big candle, the low of this candle. Neo again. Most of the market is selling today. I think there is no juice to trade. So it's good to have a little bit of patience. Wix is bouncing. That's what I told you. The Wix cannot be hold here. Wix will go to 20.65, 56. So I think don't open any long position today. It's not worth it. Hold your position. Try to sell the covered call. Try to sell something. Focus on selling. Don't buy anything except Resolve, which we bought it. Small stock, but don't buy anything like new position. It's not a buying day. And this is the reaction of the cooling inflation in the morning. We had a report, and so the market pumped and then they dumped. It always happens, always the case. If they dump first, then they will pump in the second half. If they pump it, then it will dump in the second half. And that's what they are playing with. Let's look at the tide, what's going on here. I'll stop the stream. I'll be in the Discord because we won't be taking a lot of trade today. We'll be staying silent. Okay. Market tide. QXO you sold yesterday. Yes, QXO you sold very good. Right here, you see that wave 3, which was showing us here, right in this area. This is what I draw the box yesterday. This wick, this is where it's supposed to fail. 24. So you did good if you got the exit. You can buy again around anywhere like under 20, right in the wick of this candle. If I need to buy, I'll like if you want to buy again, wait for this particular candle right here. So this comes 1945. So buy at 1945. Till then, stay clear. It's not worth it. So if you listen yesterday and you exit your position, you did good. Now take the entry at 1945 area. Till then, stay clear. Not many people listen in first place. Unless they go through some losses, then they start listening. All right, on the cipher, big sell liquidity, break of structure, price will pull back. So anyone holding cipher, make sure either you go covered or you exit the trade right now. 4-hour time frame, we are looking for a retracement back into 50 EMA, which is 1646, $2 drop here. And why the drop will happen? That this is the reason the drop will happen. Is a range bound, is a up channel right here. If you look at this one, right here. So this thing right here, right here. Now you see why the price will drop here. Zigzag, zigzag pattern, and then again up from here like this. This will be the top 20 area, and then bearish flag will complete and the price will drop like nosedive. Okay, so make sure you know that. And this point will be the equal high of this liquidity right here, this liquidity, and then we'll go for the down liquidity right here. So you know where the price is going. Cipher, retrace, then bounce, and then double dip. I know tomorrow, PNW, Monday, these stock we need to monitor. Where is this? MNDY, okay, very good. Still selling off. We have a long wick candle. Most likely the bottom is in today on Monday. I'm really looking for a good trade on Monday. DDOG and CrowdStrike. So Monday, DDOG. Okay, I'll stop the stream. I'm getting a lot of call. There is something going on.